start turning on course. You can see this will also tell you when your course is coming in for final, and obviously you can see the runway now.
Lancaster Tower 029 Echo Fox, 3 mile final. Runway 31.
029 Echo Fox, runway 31, clear to land.
31 clear to land, 29 Echo Foxtrot.
Okay, we're at 3 miles, so flaps 50.
We'll just want to make sure flaps.
Okay, make sure you don't turn too early and slide back over here.
Slide it, slide. Okay.
You will have a crab because we have 12 knots off the side here, so that wind awareness, you know, always be aware of where the wind is coming from.
Yes.
And how it's going to affect your flight. Okay, you're on the PAPIs here. Okay, so we're just kind of judging that. We're at 2 miles now, so you can reduce a little more power, throw in flaps 100.
2 miles.
Perfect.
Great.
And you can start working your way down to your final approach speed of 80 knots. Still just a little right of course here, so let's just come over to the left.
Yes, sir.
Right, so there's 80 knots. You're right on the PAPI. You envision like a string attached from the front of the plane right to your aim point. You know, that perfect glide slope down from here to keep on flying it.
I think we're pretty stable.
Yeah, stable. 500 continuing. Reduce power just slightly here, just a little high. Transition to white over white. You could reduce a little bit of power here. So the reduction of power will bring the sync back. Okay. Now we're start backing red on white. Perfect. There you go. Now, the nose up just a little bit, just like that. You can see the numbers now.
See the numbers.
You can start to ease your power towards idle. Go idle. Okay, ease the level. More level, more level, more level, more level, more level, more level. Pull back harder. Pull back harder. Okay. Flaps up. Full aft and medium braking. We'll do hard braking here. That's good, that's good, that's good. Turn around.
029 Echo Fox, I left the Delta, say attention.
Left the Delta. Now we're going to the FBO here by the restaurant.
029 Echo Fox, roger. Taxi to the west ramp via Delta.
West ramp via Delta, 29 Echo Foxtrot.
Alright. We'll work on more night landings because without visual reference it's harder, but yeah, you gotta level because you would have nosedived right into the ground there.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
You really want to just get there and then level and then just fly over the runway. So we're going to park somewhere over here, probably. So let's go behind these guys right here since we have
behind or beside?
Actually go left, let's go behind them because I don't know what this truck is doing. Filling that Mooney up. So we're gonna go cut through here.
Between them?
Nope, not between what?
Oh, okay.
Between those two planes? No.
No, yeah, I was like, what?
Over here.
No, we don't
so go left here.
Okay, yeah, this spot right here.
And then just watch your wingtip here with the Mooney.
Sure. Okay. Parking brake. C's off. Shut down. Fuel pump is off. Throttle idle. Ignition cycles. She's off.
All right.
Yeah, we need to do more night flying, man. Because I definitely thought that I was hired.